To begin, press Power. To use the resident PC, press PC. To use your own laptop, connect the VGA and minijack cables provided. Then press Laptop 1. To use the visualiser, press the power button on the unit. Then press Dock Camera. To use the Blu-ray player, press DVD. Use the controls on the bottom of the panel and the button-marked menu, along with the toggle and enter buttons to navigate your disc. The volume is controlled using the dial-marked volume. When you are finished, please power down the system. Press Power.